Just wanted to do a quick video on this Vicks Easy Fill Cool Mist Humidifier that I received from Influencer. Doing a video so you could see how much mist can come out of this machine and how quiet it is. You can kind of hear a little bit of water dripping, but that's pretty much it. But I mean, I have another humidifier and it's super loud, so this is nothing compared to that one. And I like that you can turn that like I just did, and then you can turn this dial and control how much mist comes out of here. So overall, good product.